the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro review. Hello, Razer fans. Today we'll be taking an in-depth look at one of Razer's standout gaming headsets, the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro. Known for its high performance and comfort, this headset truly stands out. Let's dive into both its technical details and user experience together. But before we jump into the video, my dear friend, I'd like to make a small reminder. I'm a new content creator on YouTube, and preparing this video took me hours. But for you, subscribing to the channel and liking the video takes just a few seconds. Remember, you're my motivation, and I made this video just for you. So please don't waste any time. Subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. Your support means everything to me. Design and comfort, the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro catches the eye with its design at first glance. Weighing just about 320 grams, it's incredibly lightweight. Available in matte black and white color options, it presents a minimalist aesthetic. The memory foam ear cushions and breathable fabric cover offer maximum comfort even during long gaming sessions. The headband, with its soft padding and faux leather cover, provides a comfortable fit. The Y-shaped metal arms not only enhance the headset's durability, but also give it a sleek appearance. Performance and sound quality. The Blackshark V2 Pro is equipped with 50mm Razer Triforce titanium drivers, designed specifically to deliver more detailed and balanced sounds in games. High, mid, and low frequencies are processed independently, resulting in clearer and more detailed audio. In competitive games, you can pinpoint enemy footsteps or gunfire with precision. Additionally, the headset features THX spatial audio support, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in a 360-degree sound environment. In games like Fortnite, this technology helps you quickly detect the location of your opponents. Friendly reminder: I'm new to YouTube, and subscribing to the channel would mean the world to me. Microphone: Razer exceeds expectations in the microphone department as well. The hyperclear supercardioid microphone provides clear voice quality while minimizing background noise, ensuring that your voice comes through clearly to your teammates during gameplay. The detachable microphone is a big plus, allowing you to easily attach or remove it depending on your needs. If you're creating content, this microphone will satisfy you. But if you're looking for a higher-end microphone experience, you might consider using a professional USB mic. Quick reminder: I'm just getting started on YouTube, so your subscription would really help me grow. Wireless technology and connectivity options. One of the biggest innovations in the 2023 model is the addition of Bluetooth 5.2 support. You can use it both with a 2.4 GHz wireless connection or via Bluetooth. However, there is no wired option available. This model supports AAC and SBC codecs, making it versatile for both PC and console gamers. It's especially compatible with PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series XS through USB-C adapters, making it ideal not just for PC, but also for console gamers. Quick reminder: don't forget to subscribe, as I'm just beginning my YouTube adventure. Your support makes a huge difference. Battery life and charging. When it comes to battery life, the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro is impressive. It offers up to 70 hours of use on a full charge, which is a significant improvement over the previous model's 24-hour battery life. Additionally, with a 15-minute quick charge, you can get up to 6 hours of usage, making it ideal for long gaming marathons. Sound settings and customization. With the Razer Synapse software, you can fully customize your headset. You can tweak sound profiles, adjust the 10-band EQ, and fine-tune your microphone settings. Additionally, you can enable bass boost, sound normalization, and clarity settings. Through Synapse, you can also activate THX spatial audio for a much more immersive sound experience. Just a reminder: I've recently started on YouTube, and your subscription helps me reach more people. Audio performance and gaming experience. In terms of sound quality, this headset is one of the best in its class. The THX spatial audio feature makes it easier to hear where your enemies are, especially in competitive games. In games like Fortnite, you can clearly distinguish distant gunshots and footsteps around you. The stereo sound performance in the tests was also quite successful. Even at high volume levels, the bass remains strong without distortion. It's also great for listening to music. With clear highs and deep enough bass, this headset delivers a balanced sound profile. Friendly reminder: As I embark on my YouTube journey, your support through subscribing would be greatly appreciated. Conclusion. In summary, the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro is an excellent option in terms of both wireless gaming experience and sound quality. With THX spatial audio support, a powerful microphone, and a battery life of up to 70 hours, it's ideal for gamers looking to make an impact in the gaming world. If your budget is around $200 and you're in the market for a high-performance gaming headset, the Blackshark V2 Pro is just what you need. My dear friend, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. I'm still new to YouTube, and your support means the world to me. Preparing this video took a lot of effort, but your subscription and like provide me with great motivation. Don't forget to support me so we can continue sharing more videos. See you in the next video.